Good morning. It is Tuesday, August the 13th. And if you're a regular viewer of the Wake Up Whiteboard segments, you know that today looks a lot different than the past few days have looked. There is no sunshine on my shoulder to make me happy. Welcome to Wake Up Whiteboard Weather for a Tuesday morning. We are sponsored this morning, as always, by my friends at WetGo. So it's time to get up and go with the weather information that you need to know on this Tuesday morning. Again, those are rain clouds on the horizon. Some places are starting to see some rain come down, and some places it's going to be steadier than others. So if you're heading out the door very soon, don't forget, there you go, one of these, because you're going to get some use out of it this morning and then again this afternoon. It's not going to rain all day, but we will have a couple rounds of rain showers in parts of the area this morning and then again this afternoon. Officially, sunrise was at 6:28, and I guess today that's when it got lighter out. Really, the sun hasn't come out because skies are cloudy. Average high is 82, and 62 will fall short of the mark with our high temperature this afternoon, as clouds and rain showers will keep temperatures probably just below the 80-degree mark. Allergies today, if you're an allergy sufferer, are in the low range. So that is, I guess, the one bonus of the cloudy skies and the rain. They have knocked allergy levels, ragweed levels, down to a lower range this morning. So there is that, at least in terms of some good news. Before you head out the door, we will get a look at radar here momentarily and what to expect over the course of the day today. But before we get to that, we want to say happy National Filet Mignon Day today. And also, if you're left-handed, if you work with this hand more than you work with this hand, today is National Left-Handers Day today, where we celebrate those that are left-handed. It is born on this day, and certainly looks like an Alfred Hitchcock morning, doesn't it? Alfred Hitchcock was born on this day, along with Fidel Castro, Annie Oakley, so a number of historical figures born on this day. And if you're a fan of the Partridge Family, Danny Bottaducci was born on this day. Just FYI, he's managed to keep himself relevant in one fashion or another over the course of the last decade or so. All right, let us get to the weather information for this morning. You can see the board's right over my shoulder, and we are sponsored, as I told you, by WetGo, as always. All right, I'm going to get radar up here, and we'll get a peek at the radar in a moment. First, I'll look at your current conditions. It is 68 right now. The wind is calm. Skies are cloudy, as you know. If you've looked out your window, that's your best gauge. And the dew point temperature right now checking in at 63 degrees. Again, we are sponsored this morning, as always, by my good friends at WetGo Car Wash. And in some cases, it is going to be a wet go this morning if you're heading out for a commute. This is the way radar looks this morning. You can see there is some scattered, sort of hit and miss shower activity, some of which is occurring in parts of Westmoreland, as well as, it looks like Fayette County, a couple spits in Allegheny County, an area of some showers further north of I-80, and you can see this large mass of rain in southeastern Ohio. Now pay attention, if you're looking at its actual movement, it is moving more toward the south and east versus moving to the north and east. That said, it looks like any steadier rains will be from Allegheny County in the city of Pittsburgh on south this morning. If you live north of Pittsburgh, it's probably going to be more of a hit and miss, and it won't be nearly as, we'll say, moderate rain as it will be, say, for the South Hills, Washington, Greene, Fayette, and parts of Westmoreland County. You'll see the most rain this morning, which is probably going to occur between now and I'd say about 10 o'clock this morning before a break works into the mix. That said, we take a look at the whiteboard for this morning. 8 a.m. temperature, 69 with showers. Again, they'll be most widespread and numerous south of Pittsburgh. At noontime, mostly cloudy, so there is that late morning, midday break, but clouds really won't break up much. That actually works in our favor, at least somewhat, because it minimizes any strong storm threat because the atmosphere is really not allowed to destabilize. And then at 4 o'clock, scattered showers, 79 degrees. And once again this afternoon, I think the best chance to see any showers of a heavier nature with regards to rainfall will be south of Pittsburgh. That said, there will be potential, and I think it's isolated potential, for some flash flooding issues, with the main threat being south of Interstate 70. Elsewhere, I think it's going to be a very minimalized chance to see even some high water on roadways. So it's mainly just going to be a rain event, and that, for that matter, just sort of a marginal rain event in most cases. And just an FYI, it's been pretty dry lately. That's why the flash flooding risk is fairly minimal. 5 of the 12 days this month have seen measurable rain, so 7 of 12 have been absolutely dry. So there it is, your morning whiteboard, sponsored by WetGo. Ombre in the house. Thanks for joining this morning, Ombre. Appreciate you. People that don't know my friend Caesar, he's just joined us this morning, probably in South Texas or somewhere in Texas. Anyway, before I go, my fact of the day deals with left-handers. As I said, it's National Left-Handers Day today. 12% of the world's population is left-handed. And the country that has the most per capita based on their population is the Netherlands. They have the most left-handed people. It is said that left-handers have a better sense of hearing. I'm sorry, what? They use the right side of their brain more. So left hand uses the right side. They are often premature babies, and they're likely, premature babies, I should say, are likely to be left-handed. And some of the most notable left-handed people, there are a lot. Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Ben Franklin, Oprah, Tom Cruise, Mark Wahlberg, Lady Gaga, Paul McCartney, Eminem, and Jerry Seinfeld are all left-handed. So there you go. As always, please share Wake Up Whiteboard Weather with your friends on Facebook. We want to continue to grow our community each and every day. We're here Monday through Friday, I should say, at 7 a.m. for our Wake Up Whiteboard Weather segment. You can get your mugs if you visit PittsburghWeatherNow.com in our merchandise store. So you can drink your coffee in one of these. All right, that'll do it for today. I will see you this afternoon at 3 o'clock, as always, for our normal Whiteboard Weather segment. Until then, have yourself an outstanding Tuesday afternoon. Peace.